Good morning, everyone. It sounds like a very strange name for US. It's a super, right? Superman, but I'm not a Superman. Hope you can understand my Chinese English. So today I will have a simple introduction of Yealink and also of the latest technology and also the programs that we have in the channel. Yealink was founded in 2001, and we entered into the SIP phone market in 2009. And in 2018, we became the top 1 SIP phone provider. So we only took 10 years from zero to the top 1 SIP phone provider. So in the past 5 years, and you can find like our growth rate is around 41.6% in the past 5 years, and there are around 15 million endpoints were sold out in the past 10 years, and then now we are serving more than 500,000 companies. In a short word, it means like one in 500 people on Earth is using Yealink endpoints. This is our market share in the world, and in 2017, and the latest data from the Frost and Sullivan, and the Yealink's market share is around 26% in 2017, and in 2018, we think like our market share will exceed 30% in the world. In 2018, and we also got the award from the Frost and Sullivan 2018, the Best Practice Award. And I think the key factor that we had such a success in a very short time, and we only took 10 years from the zero to be the top 1 SIP phone provider. I think the key factor is that we put a lot of resource on the R&D research, and now we have around 1,000 employees, but there are more than 500 people are engineers. So actually we are more than like an engineering company, and also we are a very young company, and our employee is 28 years old in average. So in last year, every year, and we put a lot of resource on the R&D investment, and in 2018 we put the $14 million in R&D research. And then now we also have our own lab. And before we release the new products to the market, and we will do the research and the testing on our lab to make it perfect, and before it face to the end users. These are the global partners that we are cooperating, and include Microsoft and BroadSoft, and also the 2600 cloud platform. And these are the global clients that we have, and they are come from the different industries, include the government, manufacturer. Yeah. The second session is that I will have a simple introduction of the SIP phone products that we have, and now we have a 3-level SIP phones, include T2 series, T4 series, and the T5 series. The T2 series is most popular in the developing country, and the T4 series is very popular in the US and Europe. And the T5 series is the latest technology that we have. And we just released the new T5 series in the early of this year. And except for the SIP phones, we also have conference phones and also the DEC phones. And for conference phones, it's worth to mention that now we have a DEC wireless conference phone. So it's totally wireless. It's a CP930, the middle one. And it's built-in battery and use the DEC technology to connect with the base station. So you don't need to drill a hole on the table, and you don't need to install any cable on the table. So you just take the conference phone on the table when you want to have a meeting with your customers. And also we have the DEC phones. We have 3 models now, and the W6TP, and the W56, and the W53. And also we have desk phone. So it means that if you plug a dongle on our SIP phones T41 and the T42, then it can be used like a DEC phone to connect with the DEC base station. Except for the hardware, and now we also have our own device management platform, and we have two versions, on-premise and the cloud. So it can support you to do the remote diagnose and the remote control and the teletask. This is our new T5 series, and our new T5s will include the T53W, T54W, T57W. They are the prime business phone, and also we have a T58. And the VP59 is our flagship model. And the T58 and the VP59, they are Android system and also the video phone. All these new T5 series, they have 4 unique features in SIP phone market. I think it's very beneficial for customers. And the first feature is the screen is adjustable, so it's just like a computer, and it will make you to be able to adjust your the screen angle to make the end user more comfortable to see the screen. And the second one is the second unique feature is all new T5 series, they are built in Bluetooth and built in Wi-Fi. So you don't need any more Wi-Fi dongle and the Bluetooth dongle to use these two functions. For example, in the old building environment, and you don't need to install the cable again, and you just use the existing Wi-Fi environment to do the communication. So you don't need a cable, but you need a power cable. Yeah. The third unique feature is they have a DEC features, and we have 2 models. The first one is base station model. It means if you plug a dongle on all new T5 series, use a USB port, then it can work with up to 4 DEC phone, cordless phones. So with the different SIP accounts. So it's very popular in a small office, and you just, for example, in a retail shop, and in a retail shop, the front desk, the space of the front desk is very limited. So you just need to put the desk phone on the front desk, and then the other staff, they can use the desk phone to connect with the desk phone, and they use the different SIP accounts. And now we are we have a deal with a coach, and they are planning to replace their old system, old phone system to our to Yealink phone system. Use this solution. There are around more than 10,000 pieces in the world. So that's a very beneficial features for this kind of environment. And the second model is they has a clone mode. It means also you plug a DEC dongle on the phone, and then it can work with a DEC phone. They are using the same SIP accounts. So for example, you pick up the call and you want to go walk around, and you just transfer the call to the DEC phone, and you can take the DEC phone to walk around, and come back, you can transfer the call, come back to the desk phone. The first feature is acoustic shield. So it means the microphone will only pick up the voice half meter around of a desk phone. So it can be used in open environment, and also you can do the setting is setting or unsetting. So if you don't want this feature, you just close it, and you need this feature. And our standard, it will equip it with this feature, and you can close it by setting. So the above four features are unique features that we have, and also we have also the side card for new T5 series. And the new T5 series, we have the T53 is a black white screen, and the others are color screen. But we use the same side card, and the side card will adjust the color automatically. If it connects with the T53W, the color screen, the black white screen, and then it will be a black white. And if it connects with a color screen, then side card will be a color screen. This is a T57W. It's compared with T48S and the replacement of old T56. And it's they are using the capacitive adjustable touch screen. These are the Angel phones that we have, and the T58 and the VP59. They are video phone. The relationship between the T4 and our new T5, and maybe you are very familiar with our T4 series, the T41, 42, and the 46, 48. And so the T53 is compared with T42, and the T54 is compared with T46. The T57 is compared with T48. Yeah, these are the unique features that we have. The first one is adjustable screen. The second one is built-in Bluetooth and also Wi-Fi. And the third one is coded codeless phone feature. And the fourth one is acoustic shield. And also we have new features will be supported by the new T5 series. And we upgrade the CPU of new T5, and they are use the latest CPU of Yealink. So it means that if you purchase today, if your customers purchase the phone today, it doesn't mean that you only have the four features I mentioned. And we will upgrade the more features and add more features into the new T5 series. And for example, the coded codeless phone. And our current version only support up to 4 codeless phone. But in next version, it will support up to 8 codeless phone. And also the current version, we only support 3-way multi-way conference. But in next version, we will support up to 8. It's not 5. It should be 8. 8-way conferencing. So, but you don't need to replace the hardware again. You just need to upgrade your software. So it means like you will have more features in for this new T5 series. And actually, they be able to support more features, but we are still in the research to see that what more features the market need. So if you have some market need from your customers, and you can communicate with us, and then we can add more features into our new T5. I introduced that we only took 10 years to become the top 1 SIP phone provider. I think also we can now do that without your support. So always we have a beneficial program for our customers in the channel. The first one is the deal registration program, and in the past we the right side is the original one, and we support if you register the 25 piece to the more than 1,000 piece, and we can support you 1% discount to the 4% discount. And now we have for current customers registration, and if you register the more than 600 piece, and then we will support you extra 2% off. So it means like if you register a project like more than 1,000 piece, then we can support you 6%. These are the programs that for ITSP, for service provider, and if you are using the all Yealink series phones, include the SIP phone, conference phone, and also the deck phone, and then you can join the extra 1% discount based on your current purchasing price. And also we have a device as a service program that we are cooperating with a financial company. And then you can, the financial company will purchase the phone, we'll purchase the phone and rent the phone to service provider, and you just need to pay the monthly rate to the financing company. Also, we have a conference phone program, and if you have never purchased the Yealink conference phone, or you have never tried our conference phone, so you will be able to purchase a CP920 with only $99, and the CP930 and the CP960 with $199. And also we have a CP trade-in program. If you are still using the very old conference system, conference phone, then we can support you to replace your old conference phone system, and we can get up to $250 off of your purchase price of the new conference phone. Also, we have a discounted demo program for our new T5, and you can ask more details, contact with your distributor for more details, and also you can contact with me. This is the program for W53P. This is the new deck phones of Yealink, and so you can join this program, and then you will be able to get a free demo or at 80% off. So it's a very cheap price for deck phone. So that's all the introduction from me, and so if you are interested in our new products and our new programs, welcome to our booth to communicate. Thank you.